talking about neutral file formats, we can also work with AutoCAD drawings. So we talk about 2D drawings as well as 3D models. So I'm just going to go ahead and open a DXF file. So let's go ahead and open this.
Yeah, while we're in the subject of 3D geometry importing, you could have a very old, modeler or even surface-based modeling files that you might want to bring in. If you're not really concerned about solid models and the topology to be maintained, you could always use IGES as well. IGES is another very standard translator.
Yeah, IGES is a came first, and then they come out with the new step format specifically for solids. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this to an AutoCAD drawing. Sorry, wrong one. AutoCAD drawing. And I'm just going to open a DXF file. As you can see, the geometry came in, but it's really light. So let's go ahead and actually go to the layer manager. And we see that the default layer is the one with all of our objects. Let's change that color. Okay, so we can see that a lot better now. So in the when you have a 2D drawing, obviously in VisualCAD, there's things that you may want to do some basic drawing. So I'm going to show you just some of the basic things that you can do in VisualCAD for working with